Our goal here at Massac Memorial is to be able to provide top-notch health care to the people in our service area so they can get it here at home and not have to drive to larger cities to get what they need. You aren't having to get in a golf cart, being shuttled to the hospital, park in a parking garage and walk forever. I mean, it's convenient. You can almost pull up right out front and walk in the front door. And chances are we can get you in a lot quicker than a bigger facility can. So if we wanted to be able to provide top-notch health care to people in this community, we had to get the best equipment.
Having modern technology gives us better pictures, better resolution, which can provide better diagnostics, better ability to find out what's actually wrong with them, and to give this information to the doctors in their hands so they can make these decisions and help the patients better.
Fuji and Brown's Medical, they worked with us. You know, we're a small rural hospital. We have 25 beds. We live or die by packages where it's affordable. I mean, you know, because we don't have the big volumes that big hospitals have. And so they really worked with us on putting a package together to where we could afford to get all the top equipment that we needed to make that top-notch healthcare accessible to our service area. As we installed the different pieces of equipment, we had to shut down like our CAT scan for a week, 2 weeks. Brown's really worked with us on being able to get a portable in here so we could continue to provide that service while our new equipment was being installed.
That kept us from not having to go on divergence where we would send it to another hospital. Having the actual equipment that we were going to be used, we didn't have to learn a new system on top of another new system. We got to learn the system that we were going to have. And that made it much easier transition when we went live with ours in-house.
The collaboration between Fuji and Brown's to put this package together, they worked with us so well and worked together so well. I mean, that's why we've got all the equipment.